Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Framer website builder. Framer is an all-in-one platform that empowers you to design, prototype, and publish stunning, interactive websites without needing to write a single line of code. It's perfect for designers and creators who want to bring their visions to life quickly and efficiently. We will cover everything from setting up your first project to publishing your finished site, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. To get started, simply open Framer and choose from a variety of professionally designed templates, or begin with a completely blank canvas for total creative freedom. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface allows you to easily add elements such as text, images, and shapes to your page. You can precisely position and resize these elements, ensuring your layout is exactly as you envision it, all within minutes. Framer offers extensive customization options, allowing you to fine-tune every aspect of your design, from colors and fonts to spacing and shadows. Elevate your site's engagement by adding captivating animations and smooth transitions between sections. You can also integrate powerful interactive components, such as fully functional forms and responsive navigation menus, providing a rich user experience for your visitors. Once your design is complete, Framer makes publishing incredibly simple. You can preview your website across various devices to ensure it looks perfect on every screen size. With just a few clicks, your site can go live on a custom domain, or you can use a free Framer subdomain. Framer also takes care of all the hosting, guaranteeing your website is always fast, secure, and accessible to everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.